Welcome to Hik Teck Talk. This time I will introduce a new function called PTRZ. PTRZ stands for Pan, Tilt, Rotation, and Zoom. Supports remote adjustment of the viewing angle through the camera's web page, which can be adjusted in the horizontal and vertical directions, as well as image rotation and zooming. On our latest DOM camera with Darkfighter S, in addition to the improvement of image quality, Hikvision has released the PTRZ function. It's Hikvision's first IP camera that supports PTRZ. This greatly improved the convenience of the installation and debugging of the camera. And since now, there is no need to remove the bubble for adjustment anymore. It also comes with a weather shield accessory, which supports wall mounting, so you can choose the installation method more flexibly according to real situation. This is the introduction about the PTRZ function. If you want to know more details, please visit our official websites. Thank you for watching. See you next time.